It takes endurance, durability, and persistence to succeed in this business. For over 50 years, Heartland AG Systems has brought top-of-the-line application-focused equipment to the industry. This historic brand remains one step ahead of the game as it continually manufactures industry-leading equipment right here in America's heartland. When it comes to the busy season and tight deadlines, every angle matters.
Our Tender Series features the most innovative design in the industry, built for faster unload times, better product flow, and enhanced safety, keeping your downtime minimal.
This line of tenders features up to 50-degree angled hopper bottoms, a 270-degree swivel auger, and 360 degrees of solutions you can rely on load after load.
As the industry's leading application experts, we understand the importance of durable equipment. That's why we have manufactured application support products and accessories that are designed to meet your needs and bring success to your bottom line.
Designed for the tough demands of fertilizer application, our line of pull-type spreaders are manufactured with a one-piece 304 stainless steel construction and an adjustable wheel track to provide you with an even spread pattern.
The spreading season can look different to every operation. So, when you're looking for a compact solution to get the job done right, or provide your growers with a versatile and accurate do-it-yourself solution, look no further. Custom made to keep you in the field longer while eliminating your downtime. We are Heartland AG Systems, and we are application.